Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Want to give a shout out today and share with you something new for your work area. It is really cool. Stick around. When it comes to our workbench, one of the things we can do is personalize it. And I think we all take some pride in that. As you know, I have a fairly small workspace that doubles as my business office for squad room, as well as my workbench. Within the next 9 months to a year, that's going to be changing. We've got a new outbuilding going up that'll be plumbed and wired up, and I'll be moving all of this out there. And the great thing with that is I'll have a whole lot more room to display stuff. As I was saying, we personalize things. And, you know, I'm a Petty fan, so I've got a lot of Petty stuff. There's a Petty Enterprise Roy Hill Pro Stock. Some of my memorabilia, autographed, things like that. One of my prized possessions was a gift of this huge, I was going to say cutaway, but it's actually a transparency of David Pearson's 1969 championship car from Holman and Moody. And you can see here, I've got a few things that I haven't posted. There's my pit sign for my RC car stuff. I need to show you guys some of my RC cars sometimes too. Anyway, I've collected over time tins like you see here. And you've seen my Petty Enterprises and Petty's Garage here. And I've also collected Champion Spark Plug, Moon Eyes, Dodge Power, Superbird, a lot of tin size I just don't have room for here. And the one thing I was missing though was I always thought, you know, we've got all this car stuff, but it would be nice to have something that represented the model companies. And a friend of mine, Robbie Meadows with Fastlane Graphics, made me some custom stuff. Let me show that to you real quick. For my 71 Petty car, he did these. I had him do these for the display area. And then for my number 11, my white Dodge, these Dodge by Petty, as well as for the display area, the old school Petty Enterprise logos. So he does some custom work, but the last few shows he's been bringing some stuff that was just awesome. And at the Salisbury show this past weekend, he brought something else. Well, like I said, I always wanted something to do with the manufacturers. The only thing I had was this Revell sticker, and I didn't want to just stick it on something and then when I move, I'll have to take this up. It would have been nice to have one of those tin signs. Well, check this out. Revell, Monogram, Johan, AMT, and MPC. Is that not cool? And these, I don't know what gauge they are, but they're pretty hefty little signs. And get this, guys, they're 12 by 18, and they're $10 each. Try to find a tin or metal sign out there for that price. Like the one I showed you at the opening tile there, where it was the vintage, the first NASCAR logo. That thing was like 30 bucks. Of course, it was licensed, so you know it's very difficult to find any of these things. This STP right here was, I think, 35. Of course, that one's autographed by Richard anyway, but if you've bought these things, you know they can get pricey. But for $10 a piece, and you got all your American manufacturers. But what I picked up was this 34 by, or I think a 35 by 48 banner. This black banner, all the manufacturers on it. Check that out. Is that not just cool? That'll be going in my new shop, and I think I'll be using it for a backdrop on some of my videos. We'll see, but gotta have that. And he can make those in other sizes too. So for pricing, get a hold of him. All of his contact information will be in the description area. So go over, click the description on the video, and go down to Fastlane Graphics, Robbie Meadows. There'll be a phone number and the website or contact information, Gmail address right there. So if you're interested in one of those, jump on that. But I just thought that was so cool, so I had to have the banner. But yeah, check them out. $10 a piece. It's hard to beat that. And you can, I know up there were people buying full sets, all 5 of them, and the metal signs as well. And I know some people just bought whatever their favorite company is. So go over, check them out if you're interested. Guys, thanks so much. This is a short video. I'm back at the workbench again. So, guys, God loves you. I appreciate you more than you know. If you're not a subscriber, do subscribe. Give us a like. We appreciate it more than you know. Guys, we will see you in the next video. Later.